I know. What is all this in here? All right, corn dog was the third. Was the third born? I know, you have the perfect little black and white markings. All right. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? We have boomerang going on? Yeah! Investigating under the chair. Smelling things. Smell your brothers. Smell Tease. Tease loves coming in here. You guys haven't been in here yet. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. I know. All right. Let's see. How about a toy? Oh, you see a reflection in the fireplace? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. 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 Look at that. Oh, you got a whiff of something. You got a whiff. What'd you get a whiff of? Squirrel. Oh, what is that? Did you just see the narwhal? Oh, looks like you. Kind of looks like you. Ah, you go get it. You go kill it. Yeah, you kill it. You kill that. You get that. You get that. You kill that. You kill that big narwhal. You get that narwhal. Okay, on to food. What is that? Yes, good boy. What kind of food was that? Did you even chew it? Did you chew it? Yay, good boy. Or you like your Aunt Twig, Cousin Twig, whatever she is, or she swallows without even tasting it. Ow, jeez Louise. Okay, we gotta work on your sock now. All right, he's being a real big foodie right now. Good boy. They usually aren't that big of a foodie. Yeah. You want that? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right, what do you? Measuring? You were 3 pounds, 11 ounces last week. I don't think you've hit the 4 pound either. Let's try. Nope. Getting closer, 3 pounds, 14 ounces. 3 pounds, 14 ounces. Okay, you've only ground, oh wait, that's only, you only gained 3 ounces too last week. Holy moly, you guys are not eating, or not, I know you're eating a lot. You're not growing very fast. Yeah. I'll have Lori make you guys chubbier. Lori will feed you lots on your vacation. That's what vacations are for. Huh. Not worried about what you eat anything. Good boy. Okay. Get your brother churro.